Now that the kids have shared their wisdom with me, let's see how the adults handle all that new vocabulary.
Chat, no cap. That rizz was so smooth I almost had to yeet my phone.
Can you put 3 of these words together into a sentence for me? So that we have low-key, yeet, and rizz. Give it a shot.
Low-key, I'm hungry. Let's get pizza. Yeet.
So yeet, what does yeet mean?
I teach elementary school. Yeet?
Yeet. I don't know. I feel like it's like a word like that, like
It's like a hip hop song saying of some sort.
heard it in a song before, I think.
Do you know what it means if you yeeted? Yeeted. What is yeeted?
I love yeeted. It's when you like throw something.
Really?
Yeah, it's like energy.
Here, have you ever heard the term cap?
Only on police shows.
On police shows? How'd you hear it on the police show? What'd they say?
That person got capped.
So is the sky blue, cap or no cap?
Cap. No cap.
No cap.
Cap.
No cap?
Oh, wait, no cap is bad. No cap.
Is she a good principal?
No cap.
All right.
Because it's opposite.
Okay, if you were to text someone on your phone and you typed in just FR, what would that mean?
I'm going to guess for real.
Got it. For real. See, it's not
That's
bad.
it? Is that it?
Don't think bad about everything. How about this one right here? WDYM.
WDYM.
What does Wyoming
Wait,
do?
W. What?
Wyoming spelled with the Y?
What you mean, dude? What?
Man, I
what?
got to go back to class.
What dog?
You're on the right track. What dog?
What dog?
WDYM.
Oh, the Justin Bieber song. What do you mean?
Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
When something slaps, it means that it's very good. It's also just like fire. You wake up in the morning, you get some eggs. You can say that those eggs.
Slap. Oh, that lesson was slaps.
Okay. I think the students might disagree on assignment slapping, but as teachers, we always want our assignments to slap.
I think that oatmeal cookies are slap.
Oh. Oatmeal cookies slap? I might disagree with that one. I think chocolate's a little bit better, but.
Cap.
Okay, so I want you to get your hands out like this. Okay, both of you. You gotta get it too. And you're gonna use your fingers, and you're gonna go like that. And you're gonna pull it back. You're gonna say, clock it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Clock it.
How could you use clock it in the kitchen?
Probably when I'm helping out with the muffins or the bread and it turned out really well.
Yeah.
And I go, clock it.
Come on now.
That's it.
You know what Unc said? Unc said that, period, you're bussin'. I can't believe how good you are, and you just got to learn how to take the L. Ooh, bam.
You see that? She just stacked them all together.
Just kick her crutches out the stairs.
I tell you what, when she goes back to middle school, she's gonna be ready. Well, there you have it. A team full of lifelong learners. I hope you take some of this new vocab back to your school site. Welcome back, everybody, and have a tremendous year.